TAO is still exploding to the upside, but will we see even higher prices and what will be the next potential price targets? And if I would be on the sideline right now, in which areas can I buy some more TAO? In this video, I will talk about TAO and share my price prediction for the future. Before we go into the content, be sure to join my free Telegram group. I share there daily updates about Bitcoin, TAO and all other cryptocurrencies. First link in the description. So after this longer bearish crash for TAO, we then saw this consolidation phase and now saw the real bullish explosion out of this zone. So now we are clearly starting the bullish explosion to the upside and we are near the last all-time high at $780. And in my last videos, I told you if we are breaking out of this consolidation phase, we will then see the bullish explosion for TAO. And in the last video, we were in this supply zone and I said the chance is higher that we are seeing the bullish breakout. And as you can see, we perfectly broke through this last supply zone and are now in this region right now. So from this last supply zone, we saw an increase over 30%. And from this last lows, we saw an increase about 250%. So congrats to everybody who took a trade on TAO. So we now see the clear bullish explosion for TAO, but what will be the next bullish price targets if we are going up? And as I said, we now have the bullish confirmation and we are seeing this massive momentum, which we also saw in this last cycle right here. And TAO is right now one of the biggest AI coins in the crypto niche. We are on place 24 of all cryptocurrencies with a market cap of $4.4 billion. And as I said, the AI narrative is one of the biggest ones in this crypto bull run. And we can see really fast higher prices for these coins. And as you can see, we are right now starting the next leg. So I think the next bullish price target is this region right here from $620 to $640. And if we can also explode over this last one, then the next very interesting zone is of course the all-time high. And if we are breaking the all-time high, then we are using the Fibonacci tool for the next bullish price target. And this would be $1,160. Here I would take some profits because, as I said, I bought some massive TAO in this region right here. I would make 4 to 5x in this area. So I'll definitely take some profits. But I think the chances are that we can see even higher prices for TAO this bull run. So for the long run and for the medium run, I'm definitely bullish. But after this massive price increase, the chance for a pullback is increasing. So the next very interesting zone to buy some TAO is this right here at $530 because from this last zone we saw this newer high. So the chance that we could continue the bullish momentum from this zone is very high. But I would just buy some coins or invest into a new long position if we are seeing bullish price action, because if we are breaking through the zone with bearish momentum, then we will see even lower prices. And then of course this supply zone is the next interesting zone. And if we would also break through the supply zone, then the next very interesting zone is this yellow zone right here at $370. Because as you can see, if we are using the Fibonacci tool, the 61.8 Fibonacci level is right in the zone. And we have this last highs right here. Here we had some resistance and this will probably turn into support. So if we are coming into the zone and see some bullish reaction right here, then I would definitely buy some more TAO in this region or open a leverage trade in this area. And then the chances high that we can continue the bullish momentum from the zone. So for the future, I'm definitely very bullish. But if we're seeing a pullback, then I would either buy in this zone. If we are seeing a break through this one, I would look at this supply zone. And if we break through the supply zone, then I think this would be an amazing chance to get into new long positions. But the chance that we are reaching this kind of region is right now not very high because we are seeing the bullish momentum. Bitcoin is also really bullish right now. So we have to see how the price will develop. And if you want to trade TAO, you can do this on Blofin. Blofin has no KYC and very low trading fees. And with my link, you get up to 20% trading fees on top. So guys, thank you really much for watching. I wish you great profits at trading and see you in the next one.